Good morning, everybody. Guess where I am? Yeah, that's right, an airport. I'm at Stansted. Time's about 8 o'clock now. My customer landed about a quarter of an hour ago. I've actually been up here since 6 o'clock. It's one of those funny old times of day, 7:45 landing. You can either leave at 5:30 and get stuck in all sorts of horrible, crappy traffic on the way up, or leave really early like I did, get up early and sit and chill for a bit. So that's what I did. I'm at the Starbucks, you know, the car park down there. Have a look at this. This is my view right now, all across the half-empty car park. You can see the top road over there, which goes all the way to the terminal. Hopefully, I will hear from my customer very soon. This is my day job. Private hire taxi driver, take people to the airports, come and get them home afterwards. But this job, like any other in the taxi industry, has its ups and downs at the moment, and we all know the reason for that, COVID-19. You know, you have the kind of work that I do. I've been a cab driver for 10 years, been running this business about 4 nearly, probably about 6 to 7 months of that. We've had the COVIDs, and it's not been a very pretty time. I'll survive, there's no doubt about that, and I'm actually looking forward to next year. I think it'll be very good, and we're getting lots of bookings for 2021. If you're a customer and you see it in this, keep them coming. I love it. We can get me and my boys back to work. But in the meantime, what do you do? You know, there's various streams of work when you're a private hire taxi driver. You can work on the town, taking Flo to the doctors or Doris to the shops. You can take the kids to school and pick them up on school runs, or you can do long distance in airports like I do. Believe me, I've done it all. And between 10 o'clock at night curfews with the pubs, all these bloody 14-day isolation quarantine cobblers that will or will not work, and you know, faffing around with the schools and what they're doing, it's wreaking havoc on the taxi industry as a whole. So a lot of drivers have to find other ways of earning money or bridging the gap in the short term. Take a look at this picture. Yeah, that was me. That was last night, and I was in KFC. I've travelled down the dark tunnel and signed up for ubereats and Just Eat, and I got a little job delivering Indian takeaway food at the weekend as well. I've got a car, I can drive, I can deliver. That's one of the things that you can do. Fast food deliveries. I belong to a cab forum, a private hire and taxi forum on Facebook, and I'm reading a lot of examples of guys delivering food, and they're kind of making ends meet. It's not bad actually. It's like taxi driving, but without the pillocks on a Friday or Saturday night who've had too many sherbets, not wanting to do as they're told. So it's reasonably stress-free, and it will do at the moment. I mean, I would recommend it. I've got one of my other blokes doing it as well. What else can you do? You got Hermes. I wouldn't personally, because I wouldn't want to answer to anybody, but they're crying out. You got Tesco's delivery jobs as well. I think there's a whole list of those locally where I live. And another popular one that seems to be cropping up a lot is Amazon. They look for delivery drivers all the time as well. I wouldn't want to work in their factories at the moment. You heard what's happening there. But yeah, I just wanted to record this little snippet and tell you there are other ways of getting by until trade picks up again. You know, there will be a path out of this sooner or later. There has to be. I can't see any other option. It's either that or we all go down the plug hole. Anyway, I'm going to stop jabbering now, because my customer, which was a business customer by the way, if you're a business and you're travelling and you need a lift to the airport, get in touch with us, we can help. She only had a little carry-on bag and she landed 20 minutes ago, so hopefully she won't be too far away now and we can both go home and I can have my crumpets and tea. Yeah, that's it. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, it does help, and I like to sit here and jabber and let you know what we're up to. Have a good day everyone, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.